LPR removal, breakdown, and replacement. Using your 2mm Allen key, remove the 3 screws in each corner of your grip cheek, and then remove all 3 portions of the grip cheek. You only need to remove the right side grip cheek. Now carefully remove the eye ribbon wires and the solenoid wires from their ports on the board. Unscrew your mini reg from the flash tank. We'll remove the back plate by undoing the 1 screw that holds the back plate onto the gun body. Now loosen, but do not completely remove, the screw in your sight rail, and using an Allen key, slide the sight rail off the gun body. We'll now carefully remove the solenoid and its wire lead. Take out the solenoid gasket and notice how the gasket sits in the gun body so you put it in correctly when it's time to put it back in. Now using your 3mm Allen wrench, remove the screws from the grip frame and remove the grip frame completely from the gun body. Remove the LPR locking pin. Remove your LPR chamber plug using your 4mm Allen wrench. We'll now remove the complete LPR assembly by screwing the LPR removal tool into the LPR piston. Once it's screwed all the way down in, you'll pull the assembly out of the gun body. You'll notice we have the gun tipped down. Depending on exactly when your gun was made, some of these parts may be gold and or blue. You can now remove the piston and the shims along with the LPR spacer. You want to make sure that when you put these washers back onto your piston, you put them in the proper order as shown here. Once the washers are onto the piston, you can then put all of your shims on. Slide your spacer on, and then slide the balance of the piston into the LPR body. It is now fully assembled and ready to go back in your gun. You'll want to make sure that the locking pin slot hole lines up with the hole in the gun body. Once it's close, you can use an Allen key to guide it in the rest of the way and make sure that the pin lines up exactly. Put your locking pin back in and make sure it seats fully in. You can now put your flash tank back onto your gun. Make sure it tightens down fully.